Hello, let's make some banana bread today. I did not measure anything. I just went with my instincts as usual. I am creaming a stick of butter with about a quarter cup of sugar. Banana is going to be sweet, so there's no need to put in extra sugar. I am adding in some flax seeds, ground flax seeds. So a tablespoon of flax seeds to 3 tablespoons of water equals 1 egg. And just let it sit till it hydrates and add it to the bake. And I'm adding in my bananas. My bananas were really soft, so it was time to bake them. No way I'm throwing them out. I will leave the recipe down in the description box for you. Now remember, I did not measure anything, so you may have to adjust the recipe as you go along if you choose to follow it, okay? Adding in some baking powder to help it rise a little bit. And I am adding in some rum and brandy. Yep. And here is some vanilla. And mix it all together. It's gonna be yummy. Adding some all-purpose flour a little at a time because I do not want a stiff batter. I want a very loose batter. You're gonna mix it together one more time. Do not overmix. As soon as the flour is all incorporated, stop mixing. You don't want a stiff bake. Let's add in some dark chocolate. Why not? Dark chocolate. Time to put it in the baking dish and bake it at 350 degrees for about 35 minutes to 45 minutes. You have to keep checking on it to make sure it is done. Oh, just look at that deliciousness. Let's cut it open. This is after it has cooled. Let's see what it looks like inside. Nothing like the piece on the edge. That is the best crunch. Yes. Look at that, look at that. Until next time, bon appetit.